Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a CRM on Base44. In this tutorial, we'll create a complete CRM system from scratch using Base44. By the end, you'll have a working CRM structure with customer management, lead tracking, dashboards, tasks, authentication, and a modern interface that you can customize for your own business needs. A CRM helps businesses organize customer information, track sales opportunities, manage follow-ups, and keep important interactions in one place. Instead of building every feature manually, Base44 can help generate the foundation quickly based on your instructions. Open your browser and head to Base44. Once the app loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll see a navigation panel on the left. That's where we'll begin. Click on Home. This is the central place where you start new projects and guide the builder with your intent. Think of this area as where you communicate your idea and define what you want Base44 to create. On the home screen, look for the section that says Describe the app. Click into that field. This is where you'll tell Base44 exactly what you want to build. The quality of your instructions plays an important role in the final result. Clear and specific instructions will shape the structure of your CRM, so it's worth being thorough when describing your requirements. In the description box, type, build a modern CRM system with customer management, lead tracking, a deal pipeline using a Kanban board, notes and activity logs, task reminders, dashboard analytics, user authentication, an admin panel, and a clean SaaS UI with dark mode and a modern design. Keep it as one well-structured sentence. You're giving the builder a blueprint that explains the important entities, workflows, features, and the overall look and feel you want. The more details you include about your workflow, the easier it becomes for Base44 to understand the type of CRM you're trying to create. For example, if your sales process has specific stages or custom customer fields, mentioning them early can help create a better starting point. When your description looks good, click Send. Base44 will begin generating an initial version of your CRM based on that prompt. You might see a brief loading state as it assembles pages, sample data, models, and interface components. Let it finish completely before making changes. This step is where the initial scaffolding happens, saving you a lot of manual setup later. Instead of creating databases, screens, and layouts from scratch, you get a working foundation that you can improve. When the preview opens, you can start making edits. This is where you tune the CRM to match your business requirements without introducing completely new steps. Start by reviewing customer management. Adjust fields for contacts, companies, and any custom attributes you rely on, such as industry, customer type, lifecycle stage, or account status. Custom fields are useful because every business manages customer information differently. Adding the right details helps your team find important information faster. Check the lead tracking flow and rename stages so they match your sales process. In the combined pipeline, edit or reorder columns such as New, Qualified, Proposal, and Closed to reflect how your team moves deals forward. A properly organized Kanban pipeline makes it easier to see where every opportunity stands and identify deals that need attention. Open the notes and activity logs to confirm that calls, emails, and meetings can be captured in a clear timeline. Keeping a complete interaction history helps teams understand previous conversations and provide better customer experiences. For task reminders, set sensible defaults for due dates and priorities, so follow-ups never slip. Small improvements like reminders and task priorities can make a big difference in maintaining consistent sales activity. Head to the dashboard and choose metrics that matter, such as active leads, win rate, revenue opportunities, or tasks due today. Arrange the charts so at-a-glance insights are obvious. A useful dashboard should highlight the information your team checks regularly and help you make faster decisions. Review user authentication by confirming sign-in behavior and role-based access. Then refine the admin panel so admins can manage users, permissions, and key settings safely. Proper access control ensures users only see and manage the information they are allowed to handle. Finally, toggle dark mode in the theme or appearance settings to ensure the modern UI looks consistent across pages. A polished design improves the user experience and makes the CRM easier to work with every day. When everything feels right, explore the preview, test different sections, and save your changes. That's your CRM built on Base44, ready for real-world use.